You buy a Raptor for one reason and one reason only. Okay, but let's be real. When you get a Ford Raptor, you're going to want to make it your own, make it unique, and make it represent yourself or with the activities that you want to do with your Ford Raptor. So to start off, you're going to need to buy a Ford Raptor. A reasonably used one. It'll be about $75,000. If you want one with really low miles or one that seems like it's brand new, that's what you're going to be dealing with. But if you want to go older, you can obviously go older and cheaper, but we're trying to keep it in the realm of what this build is that we're looking at. Let's look at the actual aftermarket parts that were added to this Raptor. So at the very front end, we have an addictive Desert Designs bomber bumper. That's going to run you $2,450 to add that bumper on. But that's not it on the front end. So inside of the bumper, we have some more Moto lights. The primary two light bars that you see in the middle are going to run you about $925. And then moving over to the side, we have some side pods for some ditch lights, and that'll cost about $185. Now also behind the front grille, you'll notice there's an aftermarket intercooler. That'll be a Cobb intercooler built specifically for a Ford Raptor, and that'll run you about $1,500. Now coming around the side, we're going to get a look at the wheel and tire setup on this truck. So the tires are a 37 1250 by 17 Ridge Grappler, and that'll run you $1,850 for a set of 4 tires. Now the wheels are Titan 7 TA K1 wheels, and that'll run you $2,250. Nice set of wheels, real good for off-road. And then as we come around, we also have a set of pillar lights. They serve a number of purposes, but these are running about $700. Now running down the side of the truck, super clean, it looks great. But now there's a couple cool things on the very back of this truck that we want to talk about. Now Cobb built their own D-ring, hitch mounted D-ring, and that'll run about $90 on their website. And on top of that, we have an addictive Desert Designs bomber rear bumper. There's no added LED lights at this current time, but that'll run you about $1,740. Now, obviously, in the bed of the truck, we have 2 more wheels and tires. Those 2 more tires, those 37s, that'll run you an extra $925. If you want those extra 2 wheels, that'll be $1,125 for those extra wheels. And obviously, they're not just sitting there in the bed. There's a spare tire carrier, and that'll run you about $1,100 aftermarket to have one of those thrown in there. Now, we're going to come back around the side of the truck, back up to the front. Obviously, you don't just throw 37s on a Ford Raptor, especially if it comes with a 35 package. You have to do a little bit something extra. Plus, there's the extra weight of the front bumper on this Raptor. So we have an Eibach coil spring leveling kit. It still retains the factory Fox suspension, which is like the heart and soul of a Raptor, and what makes it what it makes it. But these Eibach coils lift up the front end a little bit, have a little bit of approach angle, help with the heavy bumper, and help clear the 37s. So all together, we are looking at $15,240 before labor. You want to add that to the cost of the Raptor, that $75,000 that it took to buy the Raptor in the first place. You're looking at $90,240 before labor install. I would assume, add a few $100s for labor for each one of these individually is what it takes to build this Raptor that you see in front of us here. So, I'm Nikki. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're going to keep on doing different things with different vehicles, and hopefully one of them strikes your fancy, and we're gonna see you on the next one. Peace.